Students show their understanding of multiplying across zeros in this activity. Here are the cards. The orange ones are the number cards and the green ones are only 4 of them. Multiply by 10, multiply by 100, multiply by 1000 and multiply by 10,000. And these are the answers, the products for when you multiply the orange and the green card. So the triangle, let's say I pick 6 times 10. Let me see. Okay, I've found 50. So 5 times 10 is 50. So I go ahead and write 5 times 10 is 50. If I multiply 5 times 10,000, it will be 50,000. So 5 times 10,000 equals to 50,000. So the solution is here somewhere. They'll search for the card from this. Now if I pick a different one, let's say 20 times 100. 20 times 100 is 2 times 1 is 2, and then I add these 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros, and then I place my comma right after 3 digits. So this is 2000. So students will complete this activity on their own. They follow the directions here, and the directions also have the diagram that they can use. And teacher exemplar sets expectations, and there are no answers for this, I guess. No.